Myth number 9. If you're unhappy with the implant that you happen to receive, then it is dangerous to remove and replace it. What I've found is that over 90% of the time, if you are unhappy or have experienced a complication with a lens implant, then it is safe and effective to undergo intraocular lens exchange to remove that implant and replace it with a different implant. And this can be done weeks, months, or years after receiving that first implant. That's just been my personal experience. Now, we only recommend that you have intraocular lens exchange if we examine your eyes and after speaking with you, believe that the benefits of performing intraocular lens exchange outweigh the potential risks and side effects. These are typically very long conversations between you and me, and we manage expectations on the front end. If we don't feel like the risks or complications or the visual outcome with intraocular lens exchange will really help you, or it's in your best interest, then we will recommend against performing intraocular lens exchange for you. When it comes to cost, if we remove a lens implant and replace it with a basic monofocal implant, that surgery is typically billable through your medical insurance. On the other hand, if we remove your lens implant and replace it with a premium lens implant, then that service is typically paid for by you, the patient, out of pocket, and it is not billable to your medical insurance.